Okay, we're going to do interview 2. As you see, I laid the plates out 1, 2, and 3. And one of them has a coin underneath it. So I want you to choose your cup. So you can choose a plate. Choose a plate.
This one.
Okay. So I'm going to remove the one that's wrong. Do you think... did you want to stay at that plate? Is this where you think the coin is? Or do you want to switch?
I want to stay.
You want to stay at plate 1. Okay. Okay, so then go ahead and flip your plate you chose. Nothing's under it. Okay, let's play again. Turn around so I can hide my coin. Okay. Choose a plate.
I'm gonna go with 3.
Okay, I'm gonna remove number 2. Do you want to stay at your plate or do you want to switch?
I want to stay.
Okay.
I believe in
Go ahead and open your plate.
Again?
Okay. I'm gonna do it again. Turn around. Okay, go ahead again.
I'm gonna do 2.
Do you want to stay at your plate or switch?
I want to switch.
Okay, reveal your plate.
Yes!
Good job. Okay, that's 3 times, so we have to do it 5. Okay, pick a plate.
I think I'm gonna do number 3 because you haven't put one. It's good.
Do you want to stay at number 3 or do you want to switch?
I want to stay.
Okay, reveal it.
Dang it!
Okay, last time. Okay, pick a plate.
I want to do 2.
Okay. Do you want to keep your plate or do you want to switch?
I'm gonna switch.
Okay, reveal.
Yes!
So now I'm going to ask you some questions. Does it matter if you switch or stay?
I think it does matter when switching because I had a better chance of winning when you removed an empty plate.
Okay. What is the probability of winning if you switch?
Switching seems to win more often, so the probability is higher, 2 out of 3, or at least better than 1 out of 3.
What is the probability of winning if you stay?
1 out of 3.
And then, is the chance of winning the same if you switch or stay?
No, it is not the same. Stay feels like one chance. Switch feels like 2 chances. When 1 plate is removed, it boosts the switching chance.
Okay, so now that you have played the online game, I'm going to ask you some new questions. Does it matter if you switch or stay? Why or why not?
after playing the online game, it definitely matters. The switch option keeps winning way more.
Okay, and what is the probability of winning if you switch?
In the big simulation, switching won around 2/3 of the time, so I would say about 2/3.
What is the probability of winning if you stay?
When you stay, the simulation showed you win only 1/3 of the time.
Are the chances the same if you switch or stay? Explain your reasoning.
No, they are not the same. The online game proved it. Switching wins way more often. Switching 2/3 while staying was 1/3.
I have a few more questions. Considering all the answers you've done, did the simulation change your perspective? Why or why not?
Yes, it did at first. It seemed like switching and staying should be equal. But after seeing
About that, let me repeat the question and I'll get your answer again. Did the simulation change your perspective? Why or why not?
Yes, it did at first. It seemed like switching and staying should be equal, but after seeing so many trials, it was obvious switching wins more. The data convinced me.
How does the number of trials influence the findings? Why is it important to run a lot of trials?
The more trials you run, the more accurate the probabilities become, which only a few games it might look random, but when you run 100 or more, those results settle into the true probability. More trials smooth out the luck.
Okay. Mathematically, using fractions, what is the probability of winning if you stay?
The probability of winning if you stay is 1/3 because you only win if your very first guess was right, and there's only one winning cup out of the 3.
Mathematically, using fractions, what is the probability of winning if you switch?
The probability of winning is if you switch is 2/3. That's because switching basically gives you the 2 cups you didn't pick at first, and the host removes the losing one for you.